Today we are going to talk about two very popular SEO tools, Semrush and Moz. If you want to rank your website on Google, do keyword research, or analyze your competitors, these tools can help you a lot. But many beginners get confused because both tools look very similar. The truth is, they are built for slightly different types of users. Now, in this video, I will explain the difference in a very simple way so you can decide which one is better for you. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools. Today, we are comparing Semrush and Moz so you can understand which SEO tool fits for your needs. I also placed a helpful link in the description where you can explore these tools and you can check the available offers. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in description. By using those links, any special benefit or discount that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand the difference between these two tools. First, let's talk about what both tools actually do. Both Semrush and Moz are actually for the SEO purpose. Both tools are SEO tools that help you to find keywords, track rankings, analyze the backlink, and improve your website performance. They both allow you to create projects where you can monitor your website and see how it is performing over time. So in basic use, both tools can help you to grow your website traffic. Now let's talk about the biggest difference. Semrush is more like an all-in-one marketing platform. It does not only focus on SEO, but also includes tools for content marketing, competitor research, paid ads, and even social media. That means if you want one platform to manage everything, Semrush gives you more features in one place. On the other hand, Moz is more focused on SEO basics. It is simpler and easier to understand, especially for the beginners. The dashboard is clean and the suggestions are very easier to follow. If you are just starting your SEO journey and don't want too many complicated features, Moz can feel more comfortable to use. Now let's talk about the keyword research. Semrush has much larger keyword database and provides more detailed data like search intent and competition level. This helps you find better opportunities and understand what people are searching for. Moz also provide keyword research, but the database is smaller and not as detailed compared to Semrush. Let's talk about the competitor analysis. This is where Semrush really stand out. You can see what your competitors are ranking for, what ads they are running, and where their traffic is coming from. This kind of deep analysis helps you to build better strategies. Moz also provide competitor insights, but it is more limited and focused mainly on SEO metrics. Now let's talk about the pricing. Basically, Moz is more affordable and this is a good choice if you have a small budget. Semrush is more expensive, but it offers more tools and more features. So the decision here depends on whether you need advanced feature or just the basic options. Another important difference is the learning curve. Semrush is powerful, but it can feel complex at the beginning because there are too many options, there are too many tools and more reports. On the other hand, Moz is easier because it has smaller number of tools and options. It is very easy to learn and more beginner friendly. So you can start using it quickly without much confusion. In simple word, Semrush is a best option if you want a complete marketing tool with advanced features and deep data. On the other hand, Moz can be a best option for you if you want something simple, affordable, and easy to use for basic SEO tasks. So which one should you choose? If you are a beginner, blogger, or small business owner, Moz is a great starting point. But if you're serious about SEO, running multiple projects, or managing clients, Semrush is a better long-term choice. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this comparison. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple tool comparisons and guides. And don't forget to check the description link so any benefit get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Take care and choose the tool that fits your need best.